Alright folks, Peter here with another project bike for you this time. And you're gonna laugh about this one because yeah, you'll see. So let's get it unloaded. Well, you're gonna, as I said, laugh about this one. So do you need a little hint? You recognize this front fairing? Or maybe this head right here? Is that head familiar to you? No. Or yes? Well, here it is. Yeah, you guessed it. Another CBF 125 with a blown engine. So, let's get this thing unloaded and then we'll do a little bit workaround and I'll show you the reasons why I bought this thing. I don't know what's wrong with it yet, but hopefully we have another engine to put in it. So let's get it unloaded. And here it is. I bought it for 550 euros. That's like 750 bucks from a really nice guy from England that moved into the Austria. We have this trunk, with the holder, and we have the fairings. I don't see the windshield. I hopefully can find it somewhere in here, but if not, we have a spare from that bike. This fairing is cracked and has a piece missing right here, but the sides just a couple scratches. So this is the main thing, and the front forks that we don't have at our parts stash, and the turn signals front. So let's see here what is the issue with this thing. The crankcase feels good. We have a bolt fallen down on the starter here. So no play in it. The end bearing looks good. Here is the rest of the engine. So let's pull the piston. I'm sorry, the cylinder, and we can see a big score down the cylinder here. Yeah, the cylinder's toast, and the piston probably too. So, but that means one thing: we might have usable head. I already sent that head for machining, and that head is also black. Yeah. Now I get it. This engine is silver, and the other one that we have inside is black. So we are not gonna use this engine at all. We are gonna put the black engine back together, put it in this bike, and then hopefully sell it as it is. The tires look good. The exhaust is fine. We have a couple of scratches, probably from the baggage or from some kind of clothing here on the tank. Fender looks good, wiring's intact. This has 5,000 kilometers on the dash. I don't know if that's true or not. Yeah, other than that, these bikes look very good. We have a pitting in this rear seat, so we might end up replacing this seat. We have another one, I think, and this is it. So in the upcoming video we are gonna take a look at this engine again, and probably yank it out, and yeah, and we have a scratch on the fender here. And when the head for the black engine is back from the from the machine shop, we are gonna put back together that black engine. That's going to be in the knock knock video, and probably I'm gonna release that before this one. I'm not sure yet. And then I'm gonna make a separate video and show you the rebirth, the process of installing the new engine into this motorcycle. So until then, thanks for watching. If you want to see more motorcycle related content, please subscribe. I have maybe a big financial thing for me going on, so if you have any project for me and you are from Czech Republic, Poland, Slovakia, Austria, Germany, please holler at me down in the comment section. I really would appreciate that. And until then, as I said, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and have a nice day. Be safe out there. I'm out of here. Bye.